Paro has all kinds of dreams. When? Says the Sfas Emes, it was Rosh Hashanah. He proves it from different languages in the Psukim, and he also says, look at the Maharsha. The Maharsha in Brachos Nun Hey Amud Aleph says that dreams that you have on Rosh Hashanah may be fulfilled much more than other days, and that is why Paro was so impressed and was so moved by the dream. He was so upset. Paro was very happy after Yosef interpreted his dream. Why was he finally so happy? He explains the Imre Noyam from Baalei HaTosfos, because after he dreamt, he was so upset, but not only was he upset mentally, his limbs started moving. And all of his guys that came and tried to figure out what the dreams were all about didn't help until Yosef came and he interpreted his dream, and then all his limbs came back to where they're supposed to be. His body was intact, and that is why the pasuk says, "Vayitav hadavar be'einei Paro." Now he was finally happy, he was comfortable, his body is once again intact.